Namaste. Today I am showing you one program which is example for menu as well as loop as well as condition. In loop nested loop also include into this one. So what is my program? It is having one menu where if you will press 1 then it will display table. If you will press 2 then it will display sum of number which is given in the list. If you will press 3 then it will display list of content specific item. First we have to enter some item and then it will search particular item from that. Then fourth it will display that list sorted data which is in tuple. And last one is nested loop where it will display different tables at a time using this nested loop. Now we are coming to the program where I have used here import. As you know, import module I have used for import time module. Time module because somewhere I want to stop program for time being. That's why I have used this. Then while loop, and then I did here 1 means it is endless while loop. If we will compare with Pictoblox, then forever is there one block. The same work of this while loop. And then just for the menu, it is I wrote here it will display as menu in front of the user. So the 6 options are there, and then here is choice means user want to select which options of this menu. And then if user will click on 1 or if user will enter 1, then the program will transfer on this if condition. This if condition will become true, and then program will run this portion of program, this part of the program where it is written number equal to integer and input any number, and then for loop for the display table. Here this table will start from 1 and stop at 10. So range is given 1 to 11. Print, and then here I wrote I means whatever the value of this for loop, and then multiply sign and this number whatever the user want to display table that, and then number into this means table will display. Same way and then it will move at the end, and this time dot sleep, whatever the module I have used time, there is one function that sleep for while 2 seconds approximately. It will stop and then come back on this menu again. Suppose we desire or the user will select here 2, then this numbers are there into this one. It is one kind of list where we have this number, and then it will display the number whatever we have into the list. Okay, and then suppose you want to go separate, then you can write here one more print. Then it will do the addition of this all number one by one, like total equal to number means 4 plus 7, then whatever the result is there, again it will multiply with this 11 plus 10, then plus again 14, and all number it will display one by one. Okay, means all number it will display whenever it will complete addition, and then program will stop. After that again it will move at the end, as I told you previously, because it is the last statement of this this while loop. Time dot sleep means it will stop for time being, and then it will move again for this menu. this will menu display in front of the user. If user will input this choice equal to 3, then it will come on the statement where it is written, it is asking to the user input some numbers whatever you want, but separate by comma. Suppose user enter some number, then whatever user enter it will display here, and then it will after displaying it will ask one more number, which number you want to search from whatever the given number. Then user will give that number, okay, and then it will start searching. If the number is available, then it will display this number is available. If it is not available, then it will display it is not available. Okay, it is just list and it will search number from that list and display result as per your searching. After that again it is going on the this bottom stop for time being, and then again it is coming to the menu where user will this menu is there where user will assume that it is input 4, choice is 4. Then here already one tuple is prepared where it is having some number. Suppose I am adding one more number here, suppose 10, okay, and then it is the tuple is already there. Now what it will do, it will do sorting, okay, there is sorting number. So sorted number means it will store that sorted number into this ascending. If I want to do descending, then sorted comma, then reverse, we have to pass one parameter more, that is reverse equal to true. Then whatever the result is there it will display, it will store into descending variable, and then it will display as per this print. So this fourth program is over, okay, and then it is a example of nested loop. After that again it will come to this main menu, okay, here again user will select assume that it is selected 5, and here is used nested loop. So first loop, as we saw here in first example, it is a range, it is the same, okay, it will display this 1 to 11. But again I want to do 1 to 11 again, so I nested loop, a loop in another loop, okay. So I did this one. So this I value and j value, so first I value will be 1, then j value will be 1 to 10, again I value will be 1 2, then again j value is 1 to 10, like that it will, this loop will run for 10 times. So what I did here, first I value multiply with j, and whatever the result is there that will display, okay, and then one blank line will be there, okay, after each table, and then after each sorry not table, after each row, and then the continue it will display. Whenever the first loop is over, then again it will switch to I, increase the value of I, again it will come to this j, again this run 10 times, and then again it will display move to I, the value will change, assume that it is third, then again that table will display, like this it will display all the table. Again it will move to stop for time being due to this time dot sleep, and then it will move at the menu where it will having choice of 6. Whenever the user will keep 6, then it will display thank you, and then break statement is there. That's why it will stop and come out from the loop whatever we have, and then stop this program. Like this my program is there. Hope it is helpful to understand a few things. First is a loop, next is condition, third one is nested loop, and one more thing, what is module and how we can use. Thank you very much.